Namaskaram, dear all music lovers. So, a small tribute again by vocal to my father and guru, late Sri Dindagal S.P. Natarajan, a flute legend and a vocalist too. So, he has composed this Bangalore Sundaram Yogasana Sundaram Iyer. His composition, his own composition, I will be dedicating to him today. So, I am so excited to dedicate to him on his 40th death anniversary, who passed away in 1986. Thank you very much. दत्तात्रेय गुरो दक्षिणमुदहर दत्तात्रेय गुरो दक्षिणमुदहर नित्यानंद प्रभो निर्मल रक्ष रक्ष दत्तात्रेय गुरो दक्षिणमुदहर नित्यानंद प्रभो निर्मल रक्ष रक्ष नादगान कल नादवती स्थिर नादगान कल नादवती स्थिर वेद ज्ञान पर विद्या दे पाही नादगान कल नादवती स्थिर वेद ज्ञान पर विद्या दे पाही दत्तात्रेय गुरो दक्षिणमुदर नित्यानंद प्रभो निर्मल रक्ष रक्ष पादकमलहर परम दयाळ गुरो पादकमलहर परम दयाळ गुरो यादव कुरवेणो सुंदर गानं देहि यादव कुलवेणो सुंदर गानं देहि यादव कुलवेणो सुंदर गानं देहि दत्तात्रेय गुरो दक्षिणमुदर नित्यानंद प्रभो निर्मल रक्ष रक्ष दत्तात्रेय गुरो दक्षिणमुदर This is in the Ragam Arabi, set to Adithanam. So this is written by Bangalore Yogasana Sundaram Iyer. It's a very good composition. It's a very rare composition on Dattatreya, God Dattatreya. So hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you very much. This is a great opportunity for me to present my father's own composition. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.